let's use Reels templates on Instagram. Now, Instagram has this cool feature where you can use templates from other Reels on your specific Reels. So you can use the same kind of formats, features, so the same music if you want to, all of that stuff. I'll walk you through all of it, but first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out a lot. Thanks, guys. So the first thing that we'll do is, of course, just open up Instagram. And then you can see at the bottom right here is the Reels. I will tap on that. And you can see if you scroll through some of these, some of the Reels right above the username says use template. So I'm going to tap on use template here, and it will pop up with the ability to use the exact same template that this other one used. So you can see there's 1.4 seconds, 1.6 seconds, 2.5 seconds. So I can tap on these. I can choose media to add to them. I can hit add media at the bottom left here and just keep filling these up. Maybe I want to use a bunch of photos of different plants and orchids, stuff like that. And then when I'm done with that, I just hit the next arrow at the bottom right. And now I have filled up this entire template for this reel. I'll hit next at the bottom right, and then hit next again, and you can see now I have used that exact same template from another reel to create my own version of that reel. This is a great way to use someone else's content if you like the kind of flow and the feeling of their specific video. You can use it in your video and your reel as well. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.